Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income, and today I'm just doing a quick little update video on Iost ROI. If you guys aren't familiar with Iost ROI, it is another smart contract. They have the current contract fund right now. They have a little over 9 million in the contract. If you guys aren't familiar with Iost, you can definitely go over there to CoinMarketCap and go check that out right now. It's going very cheap. It's about a penny and a little, about a little over a penny or whatnot. This is just something else that you can kind of add to your portfolio. If it's something that you're interested in, you can definitely go do your research on Iost and see if this is something that you might be interested in checking out. I'm just in it. I'm just trying to widen my portfolio even more, just grabbing as much cryptocurrency as I can. So it's paying out. It's paying out every, every second, every minute, whatever the case may be. You can pull out. I went in. I put in about 9,000. I put in 9,000 of the Iost right here, as you see on the screen. I've already withdrawn 1922. So, I have 2,304 in my wallet, so I'm definitely creeping up on that 9,000 till I can get back in to get my initial seed money back. So they pay a daily ROI 5% for 28 days. So this gives you an opportunity to get in and kind of boost it up a little bit or whatever the case may be, and grab you some Iost just to add something to your portfolio. Everything's been working fine. I haven't had any complaints. You can definitely get on. They have a Telegram group. You can definitely check that out and get over there and see what's going on live over there on that end. But yeah, guys, this is something that you might want to check out and get involved with. If not, then that's okay too, or whatever. But I just wanted to go ahead and just throw this out there just so that way it can help everybody try to get their hands on as much cryptocurrency as they can in a short amount of time, because as you do know, we probably only have about 2, maybe 3 years left to get into this crypto game and get in and hit it real strong, so everybody can try to get as much money out of it as they can. So like I said, I don't try to come off in the in the wrong way or whatever the case may be. I just want to speak the truth and give you guys the real and get directly to the point, because that's what we're in it for. We're in crypto, of course, because everybody wants to make money. That's what it is. So we'll definitely see how it goes here later on or whatever. I'll keep doing update videos so that way you can see exactly what's going on with this particular platform. But like I said, if you do want to come over here and check this out, I'll leave a link in the description below the video, and just come look at it or whatever. But before I go on to the next thing, be sure that when you get in, you have to get a wallet. Okay, you have to get an iWallet. You have to go to the Google Chrome. It's a Google Chrome extension, and once you get that wallet logged in and you put your funds in there, then you'll be able to connect to the particular site. All right, so once you get in, you click the link, it's going to automatically populate and you'll be ready to go. So if you guys are not familiar, you're going to have to go over to Binance and go buy get some Bitcoin, and then go over and purchase you some Iost. And then once you get the Iost, then you transfer it to the iWallet. And once you put it in the iWallet, then you'll be able to deposit your funds into this contract and be able to enjoy your 5% for your 28 days. So that's up to you if you want to get involved. I'm just putting it out there, just giving everybody opportunity to come check this out and see if this is something that they want to do to kind of add to their portfolio going forward. But like I always say, guys, cryptocurrency is a risk. So, just make sure that you have money that you can afford to lose. You may be able to get all or maybe just some of your money, or you may have a chance to lose all of your money. So don't go do nothing stupid and gamble with all of your your mortgage payments or your car notes and things of that nature. I get it. I understand everybody wants to hit the home run, but slow down a little bit, guys. Slow down a little bit. Just play the slow game and snatch as much as you can That's the way to do it. Always get your capital back first, and then whatever you make after that is a profit, and then use your profit that you made off of that particular business or particular cryptocurrency or whatever, and then do something else with it, and then you still will be able to recoup your money. It's very simple. It's very, very simple strategy. Guys just get carried away, and they get caught up with all the numbers. They get caught up with all the money that's coming in, and then you bet it all and you lose it all. All right, so we just look at this like a game. It's money games. It's fun for me. I like making money, so I'm sure you guys like making money. So I'm not gonna wow you and say this is going to make you a millionaire tomorrow, and I'm not gonna say you're gonna be driving a Bentley tomorrow, whatever they're Lambos or whatever. I'm just giving you real transparency on how the game goes and what you should do. But I'm not your financial advisor, so I cannot advise you to do anything with your money. You're gonna spend the money how you're going to spend it. I'm not that guy. I'm just giving you and showing you exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing these different platforms that are coming out. I'm getting in, I'm going to get my money, and I'm going to get out. That's just the way it goes, and I'm not trying to be funny, but that's just how this game goes. All right, guys, if you like the content, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get all the updates and all the videos that I'm in. If you like the content that I've been giving you, definitely smash that like button. If you don't like the content I'm giving, you can hit the thumbs down. It doesn't matter to me anymore. I don't care. At the end of the day, just let me know that you took the time to come over here and come check this video out. Now, if you have any questions or in-depth that you want to talk about, leave a comment in below and I'll definitely get back. Like I said, I'm very responsive in my comment box down there. I definitely show likes regardless if you shoot negativity. It doesn't matter to me. I don't care at the end of the day. I'm just trying to provide the information that I have. All right, guys. So this is not a wow moment, but this is something that you might get into and just to hold in your portfolio going forward. All right, guys. Once again, it's Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income, and I will check you guys in the next video. You know.